This tutorial applies if your vehicle is not equipped with the Connect SOS-Emergency button. You must sign up for a connected navigation subscription in your dealership, which is free for 3 years, and then link a smartphone to access the following services: real-time traffic updates, weather, real-time car park and petrol station locations, along with pricing, online search for points of interest, and the optional speed cam service, which alerts you to danger zones as well as fixed and mobile speed cameras locations. You can purchase this option from your dealership, either when you first buy your vehicle or at any time afterwards. These services are available when the TomTom traffic logo is visible. The ignition must be switched on for you to follow the steps shown in this video. Let's start with the configuration of your smartphone. For Android phones, in your phone configuration settings, select Tethering and Portable Hotspots and activate connection sharing via Wi-Fi. For iPhones, in Settings, click on Personal Hotspot and switch on, then select Wi-Fi connection. On your vehicle's navigation screen, click on the notification icons, Wi-Fi. Then refresh the pages to view the list of detected devices. Select your smartphone, enter the link code on your telephone and confirm. Your smartphone now shares its data connection with your vehicle. You can now begin navigation service configuration. First, click on the gear icon to select a user profile, as the configuration is user-specific. If you use several profiles, each one will need to be individually configured. On the navigation screen, click on Menu, Settings, then on the Map tab. To access connected services, select Authorize Sending Information. You can modify this setting at any time from the same menu if you do not wish to share your location, but this will interrupt in-vehicle services. Confirm by clicking on OK. You may now check service activation status by clicking on the notifications icon, then Connection Service. Click the globe icon to refresh, and connected services should show as activated. If it still shows as not available, please contact your supplying dealership. Connected services should indicate available. If this is not the case, you may be in a zone with no network coverage. If so, please move your vehicle, or connection sharing with your smartphone may not have been correctly carried out. Please restart the procedure described in this tutorial. The TomTom traffic logo is now visible on the lower right-hand part of the screen. All that remains is for you to choose the services you want to see on the map. To do that, click on the Map Settings icon and select the desired options. Happy motoring!